Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to lock your BMW X1 with the key. It's a straightforward process that ensures your vehicle is secure. You'll primarily use your remote key fob. Simply press the lock button once, and all doors, including the tailgate, will secure. You should see the indicator lights flash once, confirming the action. This method provides quick and reliable security for your vehicle, giving you peace of mind every time you step away. Beyond the basic lock, your BMW X1 offers advanced security. If you press the lock button on your key fob a second time within 10 seconds, you activate the double lock function. This prevents the doors from being opened from the inside, even if a window is broken. It's an excellent feature for added peace of mind, particularly when parking in unfamiliar areas or for extended periods. Always ensure no one is inside before engaging this enhanced security measure. Sometimes you might need to lock your BMW X1 manually, perhaps if the remote battery is low. Your key fob contains a hidden mechanical key blade. To access it, slide the small release button on the side of the fob and pull the blade out. Then, insert this key blade into the lock cylinder on the driver's door. Turn the key to the lock position to secure the door. This ensures you can always secure your vehicle, even without remote functionality. After locking your BMW X1, it's always a good idea to confirm its security. Visually inspect all doors and the tailgate to ensure they are fully closed. You should also listen for the distinct audible click of the locking mechanism engaging. Furthermore, the exterior lights, typically the turn signals, will flash once to provide a clear visual confirmation that your vehicle is securely locked. Taking these few seconds ensures your BMW X1 is protected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.